Hi guys, today I want to unbox and install this door lock from brand Fighter. Okay, Fighter top secret product. Okay, so it's look like this. Usage scenario is this. Okay, cubic toilet and resident mention. Okay, quality products. Okay, and behind is like this. Okay, good key. So now I'm gonna unbox this and see this inside. After that I want to install it. Okay, please wait a while. Okay guys, this is my door lock, the old door lock. So I want to replace the new door lock. Okay, so let's look inside it. Okay. So this is my door lock. Okay, then this is the brand. Okay, and then this quality product. Scan and watch the installation tutorial later lah. Okay, this is the menu. Okay, this is the installation menu. Installation menu. Okay, installation of lock set. It teach you how to install. Okay, later we refer this one. Okay, the lock. Okay, paper marker. Okay, good. Oh, nice, good quality. Okay, this is the door lock set. The lock, the key, and the cover. Okay, so basically like that. So now I gotta install it. Okay, now already remove the door lock, old door lock. Okay, now I want to install the new door lock. This one, and this is the old door lock. Okay, so I need to follow this instruction to install the new door lock here. Okay, this is all my new door lock. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, for this type brand of Fighter product, it's like this. The door lock set. This is the lock. You see, this got the strip, so you need to screw here. Open it, you put inside, open it, screw it and open it. Not direct, take it out. So this is the cover, put inside. Basically it's like this. Okay, the cover like this. Okay, this is the key. The key is inject here to pull out this knobs. Okay, the knobs. Okay, this is here. Okay, so now I need to install here the lock set. The other lock set is for here. Okay, so I'm gonna install it now, so make it easy to follow the instruction for installation lock set. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, then for the installation, this is the this is the lock here. Okay, the lock here. Then this is the connection point. Okay, you see, connection point. You need to inside it. Okay, you see, you need lock inside it. Open it and lock inside it. Then you test it. You see, you can lock. Then should be okay already. So we can install it, fully install it, and testing. Okay. Okay guys, now my door lock is done. See. Okay. Then here is the key. Okay, then Okay, done. So guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, see you. Thank you. Bye.